Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Simple English podcast. I am Maya.
And I am Leo. Hello. We are so happy you were here today.
Leo, how are you today?
I am very good, Maya. Thank you. And you?
I am great. Today, we have a very important topic. We are going to talk about feelings.
Yes. Describing feelings is very important. Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you hungry?
Exactly. By the end of this episode, you will know how to say exactly how you feel in simple English.
Before we start, please remember to like this episode and subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more lessons for you.
Are you ready? Let's start.
Okay, let's look at the most common question in English. How are you?
When someone asks, "How are you?" you can answer in many ways. The easiest answer is about being positive.
Repeat after me. Happy.
Happy.
For example, I am happy. Or I feel happy.
Let's try a real example. Leo, you just got a new puppy. How do you feel?
Oh, I am so happy. I love dogs.
Good. Now, let's look at the opposite. Sad.
Repeat after me. Sad.
We use sad when something is not good. For example, I lost my phone. I am sad.
Or my friend is moving away. I feel sad.
Okay, listeners, let's practice. Listen to our conversation.
How, Maya? You look quiet. Is everything okay?
No, not really. I lost my favorite pen. I'm sad.
Oh, I'm sorry. Look, I found it under the table.
Wow, thank you. Now I am happy again.
Did you hear the words? Sad and happy. Good job.
Now let's talk about energy. Leo, do you work a lot?
Yes, I work every day. Sometimes I have too much work.
When you have a lot of work, you are busy.
Repeat after me. Busy.
I am busy. This means you have no free time.
And after a long day of being busy, how do you feel, Maya?
I feel tired. I want to sleep.
Yes, tired.
I am tired.
Let's listen to another short conversation. Listen for the words busy and tired.
Leo, do you want to play football right now?
I can't right now. I am very busy with work.
Okay, how about tonight at 8 p.m.?
Maybe not after work. Usually I am too tired. I just want to sleep.
Great listening. Leo said he is busy now and he will be tired later.
You are doing great. Keep listening.
Okay, Leo, it is almost lunchtime. How does your stomach feel?
My stomach is making noise. I need food. I am hungry.
This is a very important word. Hungry.
Repeat after me. Hungry.
I want to eat pizza. I am hungry. What if you need water?
Then you are thirsty.
Listen to the sound. Thirsty. Thirsty. I need water. I am thirsty.
Okay, let's do a listen and repeat practice. I will say a sentence and you repeat it out loud. Ready?
I didn't eat breakfast. I am hungry.
It is very hot outside. I am thirsty.
Let's go to a restaurant. I am hungry and thirsty.
Excellent work.
We have two more important feelings. Leo, imagine you have a big test tomorrow, or you have to speak to a large group of people.
Ooh, my hands shake, my heart beats fast. I feel nervous.
Nervous.
I have a job interview? I am nervous.
But what if someone is rude to you, or someone breaks your phone?
Then I feel angry.
Angry.
Stop that. I am angry.
Let's listen to a conversation. Leo is driving his car. Leo, watch out. That car cut you off.
I see him. Wow, that was dangerous. I am so angry.
Calm down, Leo. Breathe.
Okay. But now I have to park the car in a small space. I am nervous. I am not good at parking.
Did you hear the difference? He was angry at the other driver. He was nervous about parking.
You have learned a lot of new words today. Let's review them.
I will describe a situation. You have to guess the feeling. Say it out loud.
Situation number 1. You worked for 12 hours today. You want to go to bed. You are...
The answer is tired. Did you get it right?
Situation number 2. You see a big chocolate cake. You want to eat it immediately. You are...
The answer is hungry.
Situation number 3. You lost your keys. You cannot find them. It is raining. You are...
The answer could be sad or angry. Both are correct.
Good job, everyone. You are improving already.
We are almost finished. Today we learned happy, sad, busy, tired, hungry, thirsty, nervous, angry.
Remember, it is okay to talk about your feelings. It helps you connect with friends.
Practice these words today. Tell your family, I am hungry, or I am happy.
Before we go, we have a question for you. We want to hear from you in the comment section.
Question of the day. What time do you usually wake up in the morning?
For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. Tell us your time in the comments.
Thank you for listening to Simple English with Friends.
See you next time. Bye.
Goodbye.